Yeah, good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Wherever you're watching me from, guys. Wherever you are watching me from, guys. Good morning. Good morning. So we are having this. Yeah, I'm doing this analysis. So let me send this link to the group first, so that we can start, guys. So that we can start here to check the overall view of the market, how the market has been, guys. So thanks for joining the session, guys. Thanks for joining the session. Thanks for joining the session. Hope my screen is clear, guys. Hope my screen is clear. So we have this market which I've been checking, guys. So guys, USD GBPSD, guys, is bearish, guys. Let me just tell you guys truth. GBPSD is bearish. Yeah, GBPSD, guys, is GPSD is bearish. I don't know if I can see. I can. I don't know if I don't know if I can flip this. I don't know if I can flip this for YouTube like this. I don't know how it is. But confirm to me, guys. Confirm if you're able to see my screen clearly. Those I can move this. So we have. Are you seeing this trend, guys? Are you seeing this downtrend? So this downtrend market, I'm expecting a very sell market. Oh yeah, I can see. So this is what is happening currently. This is what is happening currently in the market. This is what is happening currently in the market, guys. And can see. So this is the first touch here, second touch here, third touch here, like this. I think. So this is what is happening on a GPPSD, guys. This is what is happening on a GPPSD. Currently, can see the market is on a downtrend, but we are waiting. We want the market to come and touch where? On the third touch here, so that we can look for for selling market. We can look to sell here, guys. Then we can look to sell here on a downtrend like this. Yeah. So this is what is happening currently on this is what is happening currently on GPP USD, guys. I'm just waiting for the third touch, for the fourth touch. I think the way it is. So here was my first touch. You can see. Here was my first touch, guys. You can see here was my first touch. Then second touch here. Then third touch here, guys. And also my fourth touch to be here. Yes, guys. Yes. I think, guys. I don't know, guys, if you can wait just a minute, guys. Okay, guys. So this is my third touch, guys. No, guys. Yes. Kalikan. Yes, tell me, guys. Tell me if you're able to see my screen clear. Tell me, guys, if you're able to see my screen clear, guys. And yes, guys. I think, guys. So this is what I'm expecting currently on GPPSD, guys. So this is GPSD, and maybe you can check on higher time frame. So on higher time frame, can see, guys, we have this. Yeah, so this is my analysis for GPP USD currently. So I'm just waiting for the market to come to my region here so that I can sell. Can see, so that I can sell on a downtrend. Yeah, tell me, guys, which market do you want us we analyze? Yeah, tell me, guys, which market do you want us we analyze together, guys, on this live, guys? Tell me which market maybe you want us we analyze together, guys. Yeah, just type on the comments. Just type on the comments. Yeah, just type in the comments which market do you want us we analyze. Can we check on gold? Maybe you can check on gold also, guys. You can check. Yeah, let's check gold. As we analyze, just type on the chat box, and we're gonna analyze together, guys. So let's check. I'm looking for gold. I'm looking for gold, guys. I am looking for gold, which is XAU, which is XAU USD. XAU USD, which is their gold. So these are gold market, guys. You can see on my screen. So these are gold market. So this is on a 1 hour time frame. Maybe I can go to daily time frame so that on a daily time frame you can be able to know the overall view of the market, guys. So this is on a daily chart. So Sylvan's saying BTCUSD. Okay, I'm gonna be analyzing that. So you can see. So long-term gold is still on uptrend. You can see. Yeah, long-term gold is still on uptrend. Yeah, it's still on uptrend market. But the time when the market of gold will come to this region here, then we're gonna expect a pullback to the uptrend. Because guys, you can see this was my first touch here. You can see this was my first touch here, and this was my second touch here. So I waited. I think so. This was my first touch, and this was my second touch. So I wanted the market to touch on my third touch, and actually the market came to my third touch here and went up. I was waiting here for market to give me an entry, but the market didn't give me an entry here. You can see, so the market must touch the trend line so that you can confirm as a trade, guys. The market must confirm so that you can confirm it is a trade. Then, so here again, you can see. Yeah, I think, guys. Yeah, that's how you trade. That's how you trade. So this market is what? Which market is this? This one is gold, guys. This one is gold. You can see it is gold market. This one is a gold market. So I'm just waiting the market to touch my fourth touch, my third touch, my fourth touch. Then for touch 1, touch 2, touch 3, that's when you're gonna be buying. Then touch 4, you can see touch 4 again here. You can also be looking for buy again. I think you can also be looking for touch 4 again for entry buy. Okay, let's go to BTC USD. Yeah, I also trade BTC USD, guys. I also trade BTC USD. So we're gonna be checking together BTC USD. Let me remove this. Let's go to BTC USD. So this is BTC USD. You can see this is BTC USD. Yeah, Bitcoin. So this is Bitcoin, guys. This is Bitcoin currently. Yeah, this is Bitcoin currently at the moment. So we go to a higher time frame. Maybe you can check. So this is on a higher time frame. You can see this one. Bitcoin is on a higher time frame. So on a higher time frame here, I can mark this and this as my level of interest. Then I go to H4 like this. Okay. See what's happening currently. That's a BTC USD. So BTC USD Sylvans is maybe you can wait for the market to touch where? On the third touch here, on the fourth touch. So every time when the market will touch the trend line, the market will go up. I think. Every time the market could touch a trend line, the market could go up. I think. So just draw the trend line. Just see, guys. I think. Is it clear, guys? We can use. Yes. I think it's clear, guys. I think it's clear. I think. So this is what I'm expecting. Currently, no trade on this. Currently, no trade on gold. Not gold. We have no trade currently on BTC USD, guys, because we need to buy at a specific level. We need to buy at a specific level. You can see here. So you need to buy here. So I need to wait for market to touch here and then I buy at this region. I think that is now my area of interest currently. That is now my area of interest currently for someone who wants to trade a GPP, not for someone who wants to understand a BTCUSD, the move of BTCUSD at the moment. Now this is the move, guys. This is the move of BTCUSD. Okay, on the comments, guys, again, which market can we check together, guys? Which market can we check together? So currently we don't have trade on here. We don't have trade on a pound. And also you can mark this level again. Can do like this to be a channel. Yeah, you can mark like that to be like a channel. You can see? To be like a channel, guys. So that my first touch, my second touch, my third touch, and my fourth touch. You can see? So maybe you can lock this. So how do you lock it, guys? You lock it here. Do you see where we have like a padlock here? Here. So when you lock it like this drawing, it will never disappear. So we'll be just be waiting for the market. We'll be just waiting for the market, guys, to confirm our entries. Then we buy. So let me show you how I was able to get an entry on a GBPUSD. I was able to get an entry on GBPUSD yesterday. So let me show you guys. Let me show you how I was able to get an entry yesterday on GBPUSD. See how the market is moving, guys. So I had to mark this level. You can see. Let me remove everything. Let me remove everything. We do it afresh, guys. We do it afresh. So this is on HF time frame. So I had to draw. So this is my first touch and this is my second touch. You can see, guys. This is my first touch here and this is my second touch here. So I had to draw it like this. So this was my first touch here. My first touch here. Second touch here. Then my third touch where, guys, here. I was able to get an entry here. Then the market went on my favor, hitting my take profit. Then yesterday again, I was able to get a trade here again. You see, like I'm not gambling. I'm just going with a plan. I'm just following the trend of the market the way it is. I'm just following the trend the way the trend of the market it is, guys. I think. So maybe you can take a screenshot of this picture. Then maybe you can go maybe and look. You can draw on your own, guys. You can draw on your own. So long as you have a trading view. If you have a trading view, you have this platform. You can analyze it very, very easily. So long as you have the platform. Yeah, so long as you have the platform, you can analyze it very, very, very easily, guys. You can see the way of analyze. So guys, which market can you check together, guys? Maybe comment on the comment, guys. Yeah, just text me in the comments. Which market do you want us we analyze? So as I look, so let me check again NASDAQ. How many are trading NASDAQ 100? How many are trading NASDAQ 100? Yeah, NASDAQ is one of the best indices that I trade also. So let me go afresh, guys. Let me do it afresh, guys. So let me go to a daily chart. Let me see what's happening on NASDAQ currently. You can see. So this is what is happening on NASDAQ. Can see? This is what is happening on NASDAQ. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mark the levels. I'm just gonna mark the levels, guys. The levels that I'm interested. So can see? Those are my interested levels, can see. Then also you can draw like this also to be like a channel, guys, or like this, just simple like this. So currently this NASDAQ market, what I want to buy, if I want to buy this market NASDAQ, I'm going to be buying only when this market touches my resistance there. I think I'm going to be selling only when this market touches my resistance there. Can see? Then boom, the market goes down. I think like very, very simple, like the way you draw it. I think, guys. So if you want maybe to draw it from afresh, if you want to do it from afresh, maybe I can show you something here. So the first thing, guys, let me just show you. Let me just show you, guys. Yeah, thanks so much for those who are joining us for the first time today, guys. If you're joining us for the first time, guys, you're much welcome. We normally have this live from 10 a.m. guys every day. From 10 a.m. guys to 11 a.m. every day, guys. So if you want to draw a trend line, what you can do, guys, is you need to identify 2 points of the market. I think if the market does this, so this is point number 1. So you wait again for the market to pull back like this, so that you can draw on the you can draw it like this. Then on the third touch, that's when you are going to buy. Then again on the fourth touch again you buy like this. So the market will just be ranging on this region. So here you buy here again. Just simple like that. So this was the first touch. So you need first to identify your first touch and your second touch so that you can draw it. I think. Okay, so let's dive into. So we have just finished with Nasdaq. Can see. So this is Nasdaq 100, guys. You can see it is a Nasdaq 100. It's a Nasdaq 100, guys. It's a Nasdaq 100 market. So can we go to so Nasdaq? If you want to sell it Nasdaq, maybe you just wait for the market to go to that level where I've identified here. I think, guys, just go to this level whereby I have identified my level here. I think, guys, just go to the level where I've identified my level there. Then, boom, sell it. Okay, let's go to USDJPY. And this one, guys, you do it on a higher time frame. Then you go for entries on a lower time frame. Are you together, guys? So you analyze on a higher time frame. Then you go to a lower time frame for entries. Okay. So let's go to where? Let's go to what? Let's go to USDJPY. Let's type USDJPY here. Then boom, I have here my USDJPY. Also, nilikuwa nimeanalyze. I had also analyzed, but let me just you can see how the market is moving. But let me just do it afresh. I think so here. So this is on a which time frame? This is on a daily chart. This is on a daily chart. So I had to draw this like this. I think. I don't know if it. Oh. So I had to draw this afresh, guys. I think the way market is, guys, the way market goes from the uptrend or downtrend, can see. So the market will normally follow the trend of the market. So here, just wait for the market to come on to where? To the trend line, can see. So this was my first touch here, guys. Can see first touch here. Then second touch where guys? Here, guys. Third touch where, guys? There, guys. I think. Then fourth touch, guys, we are having just waiting for the market here to confirm our entry. I think, guys, like it's just simple like that. It is just simple like that. That's how you do it, guys. That's how you do it. That's how you do it very, very, very easily, guys. That's how you do it easily in the market. Yeah, it's not hard. Yeah, it's not hard if you understand the concept. If you understand the concept, it is not hard, guys. Yeah, if you don't understand the concept. Okay, let's see gold. Let's see what's happening on gold currently. So gold, I can draw. You can see the way I'm analyzing gold. So you can also analyze from a lower time frame. So I need to draw this, guys. But from the next meeting, I'm gonna be using the OBS. I'm gonna be using the OBS for presenting my screen. Yeah. So that it can be clear. On the next meeting, I think I'm gonna be doing the live using the sharing the screen in the OBS than sharing using the phone. Can see what's happening on gold. So this is what is happening on gold currently. Can see? Yeah, gold has been on a downtrend, guys. It's been on a downtrend. So guys, you can take advantage of this bearish movement here. You can see on gold. Can you see there? There can see every time when the market could touch the trend line, it's a downtrend. Every time the market could touch the trend line, downtrend. So currently here right now, we are having a downtrend. Can see? So gold right now is bearish. So if you are thinking of buying gold, yeah, Grace. Yes, Grace Nyambura. Yes, how are you, Grace? Yes, how are you? So this is how you analyze gold. So gold right now is bearish. Gold currently is bearish. I think, guys, gold is bearish because here I'm waiting for the market just to confirm here my entry here, to confirm here with this, even this candle. This candle is also very important. I'm just waiting for the market to confirm with a bearish engulfing here, a bearish engulfing, then boom and sell. Where will I take my TP? My TP I'm gonna be taking here, previous low. I think, guys, like just simple like that. Like you don't need to complicate anything. You don't need to complicate anything. I think. Are you seeing, guys? Yeah, just simple like this. Then boom, you're having a trend line. So this is a trend line. So these are trend line. You can see, guys, this is a trend line. You can see this is a trend line. These are trend line. You can see the market is still on a downtrend. The market is still on a downtrend. You can see the market is on a downtrend here, guys. The market is on a downtrend. You can see still on a downtrend. So what I'm gonna do here, so this gold. So if you're thinking of today's gold, maybe you can wait for the market to confirm your entry here. You can use a 20 MA, crossing over 20 MA, then look for entries. You can set here 13 MA or 20. Yeah, you can see. For confirmation to sell entry, the EMA. So the EMA, maybe it will guide you. The EMA is going to guide you on the entries. I think, guys. And this is USDJPY, guys. This is USDJPY. Okay. I think, guys. So this is USDJPY. And this is gold. Yeah. So which market do you want us to? So this is what we are expecting today, guys. So gold on trend line. We just want to confirm entries. Then maybe you can go to 5 minutes for entries. Yeah, 5 minutes here. You can see I can go to 5 minutes for entries. So I'm looking. Where I'm interested right now on gold is here. So maybe I can set EMA. Yeah. So if this market is going to cross below the 13 EMA, then I'll sell it. Then stop loss, I'm gonna be setting this high here. That's simple like that. I think just simple like that. Yeah, guys, anasema GPPSD. So let's check GPSD, guys. Maybe you can check GPPSD. We have checked gold and we have checked gold, guys. So let's check GPPSD. Yeah, I love trading GPSD. Yeah, it's one of my best currency. So this is analysis for GPSD, guys. Grace. Grace. Also GPSD, I'm expecting a sell. Can see? I'm expecting a sell. Yes. So this is GPSD. So though GPSD already it has gone sell. Can see? So yesterday you were supposed to enter sell, swing trade. But today also it has gone down. You want to see the market has gone up, gone down. So I'm waiting market, maybe wait again for the market to go up, and then to come back again. To where? There. So that maybe you can consider selling market. Can consider to sell. Yeah. So these are GPP USD. Yeah, this is GPP USD. Maybe the last market, guys. Which market can you want us? Where you want us we analyze, guys? Which market do you want us we analyze? Yeah, which market do you want us we analyze? Can we check Euro card? Can we check? Well, let's check the last market before we call it a day, guys. And also for this pound dollar, for the pound dollar, for me to confirm this entry, I need for the market to sweep liquidity this high. Can you see this high? The high of Asia. It's very, very important for me. This area is very, very important. So let's check Euro USD. So now, guys, I normally have this session every day from this time, from 10 a.m., guys. From 10 a.m., guys, I normally have this session, guys. So be joining the session, guys. So check So guys, what do? The first thing, you go to a higher time frame. That is the first thing. You go to a higher time frame to check the overall view of the market. I think also a drone, can see? I drawn also the GP, can see? I don't know if it's clear. Yeah, you can see. So this was my first touch here, second touch, third touch. So currently, I just wait for the market to come to where? To my trend line there, so that I can sell. Like that. Yeah, just leave it like that. Like, you don't need to complicate things in the market. So this is what we're expecting today. This is what we're expecting today in the market, guys. This is what we're expecting today on the market. Yes. Yes. So this is what we're expecting today on the market. Yeah. So I'm gonna be so let me guys, let me sort the maybe I'm gonna be joining again using the OBS. Maybe right away, right now. So let me maybe I can stop this meeting again, then come back again with using the OBS. Yes, but these are the analysis, guys. These are the analysis for today. Yeah, maybe you can be taking a screenshot of it. Then you can be taking a screenshot of it, guys. Then you can be waiting for the market. Yeah, to wait for the market to confirm. So I'm gonna be coming back